Howdy, folks. What do I want to say?
Why'd you turn it on? We don't know what you want to say.
Because I just thought we could do an intro.
I don't know what you want to say.
Oh, there's no solid put them in places. But if I do something long
You wait
drive,
till I turn it on to start talking. I just turned it on.
I thought it was on through that.
You turned it off at the smart car.
I thought I turned it on at the smart car.
No, you turned it off. Full-time RV life, real full-time RV folks. Guess what? What? Oh,
What did we do 4 years ago?
in a few days. 4 years ago, you put out a 10-second clip of deer.
Our first video on YouTube.
Your first one.
Well,
Not my first one.
seeouRView's
Your
first video.
And you put out a video, and I had nothing to do with it until my first video.
That video, I'll go ahead and link it up there. But that video was one of the first ones I started actually trying to use the video on my Nikon camera. So rather than still pictures, I had just started playing around with trying to take video on it and trying to use a 20-year-old tripod that
You broke this year?
yeah, that I broke. But it made a lot of noises, so I couldn't use any of the sound, and I could use very little of the footage because I was so shaky and just, I don't know, I didn't know what I was doing. But I got 10 seconds of some deer.
It was your first ever video, and then I took over and just did everything from the phone. Well, I think you did a few more.
There was a couple other little practice videos we threw up there, but that,
Anyway, it's 4 years of the
4
channel.
years of seeouRView.
Anyway, what's today?
Today?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's Friday.
No, stupid.
Oh, well, that was a couple of days ago.
No, not that. Today isn't. What day are you uploading this?
Oh, Merry Christmas! Yay!
I didn't call you stupid. I'm sorry. That just came out.
I didn't know what the hell you were talking about. But we're gonna upload this on Christmas.
Oh,
So,
there we go.
Merry Christmas!
Oh God, it's so shaky. Except it doesn't know what road you're on. Up through there. And then
This is the road here. We gotta get over there. And there's a road back there. So does this go up to it?
I think so. Oh, this is the way it said to go.
Okay.
Wait. No. I'm so freaking confused at GPS. I don't freaking know. This takes you all the way down to Kofa. And you
then
can get
back
up on
in.
Kofa. Yeah.
Because there's really, unless you're in a Jeep, I don't know if there's a way across this.
No.
Where we at?
I don't know.
We're at we're at Key Mountain.
And someone didn't tell me I needed to wear shoes.
And she's in flip flops.
Someone didn't tell me I needed to wear shoes.
So guess who's gonna go show you all this by myself? Stay tuned. looks like where the electric come in. That was a big, solid steel electric box and control panel there. Most everything's been stripped out of it, just the box is left. There's a hole in the ground right up in there, so I'm not going to wander into any of that. No, we got to be safe. That building here has pretty much collapsed. I haven't looked it up yet, but I imagine this mine provided the town of Quartzsite with quite a bit of revenue in it today. Y'all remember, be grateful, not hateful. Have a very Merry Christmas. We love you. Bye-bye.